In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Revolut credit card in the UK. Before you start, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements so you don't run into avoidable delays. You'll need to be at least 18 years old and have had your Revolut account open for at least 30 days. You should be a resident in a country where Revolut credit cards are available, and for this video, we're focusing on the UK. Ensure your phone number is linked to your Revolut account and that you don't have any negative balances. You may also be asked for proof of income if you're employed or self-employed. Having recent payslips, bank statements, or tax documents ready can help. It's also a good idea to check that your personal details in Revolut, like your legal name and home address, match your official documents to avoid any verification issues. When you're ready, open the Revolut app and head to the home screen. Make sure you're running the latest version of the app, as product availability can depend on updates. From home, look for the Accounts section. Tap Accounts, then select Add New to bring up the list of available products you can open from within Revolut. From that list, choose Credit, and then tap on Credit Card. This takes you straight to the application flow. If you don't see the option, it may not be available for your profile just yet, so check back later as Revolut is gradually rolling out credit cards to more regions and accounts. Next, fill out the short application with your personal and financial details. Keep everything accurate and consistent with your official records. Expect to confirm your contact information, current address, employment status, and income. You may be asked about regular expenses or financial commitments. Take a moment to read any prompts on the screen. Answering carefully helps Revolut assess your application correctly and can reduce the chance of follow-up questions. Once everything looks good, submit your application and wait for approval. Some decisions arrive in minutes, while others may take a bit longer. Keep notifications enabled on your phone so you don't miss an update from Revolut, and avoid making changes to your account details during this time. If you're approved, you'll be able to review and sign the agreement directly in the app. Read the key terms, such as your credit limit, interest rate, and any applicable fees, so you understand how the card works. After you sign, your Revolut credit card will be issued, and you'll see it in the app. That's the process from start to finish. Remember, availability can vary by country, but Revolut continues to expand access. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready to apply with confidence.